Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to be talking about buttons in design. Buttons let users take actions. So whenever a user needs to do something, buttons come into play. I think now you understand how important it is to know about button designing. When you're designing a button, make sure to pay attention to the following points. Number 1. States. Design all states of the button such as active, inactive, tapped, hover, etc. Number 2. Hierarchy. Know about the hierarchy of your buttons. For instance, whether it's high emphasis, medium emphasis, or low emphasis. Number 3. Placement. Multiple button types can be utilized to represent various emphasis levels. Number 4. Text button. Text buttons are typically used for less pronounced actions. For example, in dialogues and cards. And last but not least, contrast. Buttons should have enough contrast to express the importance of their functionality. So if you look at the picture on the right, you can see that we have different states of a button. For instance, we have active. As you can see, it has a sharp color and the opacity is 100%. On the other hand, we have inactive to show that this button is disabled for now, which is gray here. And also we have tapped. So when the user taps that button, it changes to that specific color. As you can see, we have that light blue. And at the end, as you can see, we have 4 different buttons. We have text button, also we have outline button, and then contain button, and also toggle button. And you need to use them carefully when you're designing a user interface, because it is so important to know the user's expectation, and also in terms of user experience, it's better to use the correct type of button in your design.